How to fix no SIM problem on Android. If you are facing this problem, first and foremost, open your SIM slot and make sure that you have inserted your SIM properly. This problem might arise if you have a minor bug issue, and to fix that, what you can do is you can simply restart your mobile device by pressing on your start button for a while and then tapping on restart. Even after this, if this problem does not solve, open your phone setting. From here, scroll down until you see the option of apps and tap on it. Right here, tap on all apps. Tap on the three dot and then go to show system apps. From here, you have to go ahead and search for the option of SIM Toolkit. So go ahead and find the option and tap on it. Right here, tap on Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. Now once you do that, you have to restart your device and this shall fix the problem. So go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for watching.